So next topic is single displacement reaction. So already types of reaction: combination, decomposition, single displacement, double displacement, and combustion. So already first two topics over. Next one is single displacement reaction. So in a single displacement reaction, it is possible only in element and compound. It is possible only in element and compound. Next for the general example. So already for combination, A plus B gives AB. That means two reactants combine to form one product. In case of decomposition, this AB, one reactant gives two or more products. That means reverse of combination is decomposition reaction. So in case of the single displacement, general example, so A plus BC gives. So obviously we know left hand side of the arrow denotes reactants, right hand side is products. So in case of displacement means our general definition, general meaning for displacement is one particle is replaced by another particle, or one substance is replaced by another substance. That is a replacement is called as displacement. So in this case, this is an element, this is compound. So in this case, this element, one of the elements of the compound reactant, remember, element of the compound reactant, because left hand side is reactant. So this element of the compound reactant is replaced by element reactant. So this one is compound. So in this compound there are B element. So this element, the elements of the compound reactant is replaced by element reactant to form a new compound. So in this form a new compound, in this case B is replaced by A. So in place of B, A is come. So AC plus B. That's why. So elements of the compound reactant is replaced by this element reactant to form new compound plus element. Okay, these are about single displacement. So possible only in element and compound. Let's see it one example. Suppose iron react with copper sulfate to form dash. So in this case, this is element, this is compound. So already we know elements of the compound reactant is replaced by element reactant. So in this case, so copper is replaced by iron. So the equation in place of copper, iron has come. So instead of copper you write iron. So FeSO4 plus Cu. This is product. So product also one compound plus one element. So in product also one compound plus one element. This is important question. They will ask in two more questions. Question is what happened when iron nail placed in copper sulfate solution, and what is the name of reaction? So they say, so what happened when iron nail placed in copper sulfate solution? So suppose when you kept iron nail in copper sulfate solution, so in this copper sulfate solution, suppose you kept some iron nails. So copper sulfate is blue color solution. Obviously iron we know it is in brown color solution. So after some time this blue color solution changes to brown. That means the copper is displaced by iron. That's why the color of the solution also changed. So in this case, copper is replaced by iron. Then they ask what is the name of the reaction. When this reaction is single displacement reaction, you have to mention. So in this case, another definition is there for single displacement, that is more active metals replaced by less active metals. This is a general definition for single displacement. It is more active metal is replaced by less active metals. So this single displacement reaction possible only when depends on activity of the metal or elements and their position in the periodic table. So single displacement reaction completely depends on activity of the element and their position in the periodic table. So already is a single displacement, more active metals replaced by less active metals. So another example they given in the textbook, that is NaCl. That is NaCl react with fluorine. So in this case, chlorine replaced by fluorine. So NaF plus Cl2. So balance this equation. Right hand side 2 chlorine. So 2. Here also 2. Same way, suppose NaF plus Cl2 gives same fluorine is replaced by chlorine. So NaCl plus F2. This is also we have to balance. So in this two reaction, chlorine is replaced by fluorine. Here fluorine is replaced by chlorine. So in this two reactions, second one is not possible because in the halogen, the reactivity series is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. You see, fluorine is the top of the periodic table, so hence it is more reactive. In case chlorine is less reactive. So that's why in this first equation, chlorine is replaced by fluorine because fluorine is more reactive metal, displaces less reactive metal. In case of second one, so chlorine is a less reactive metal, it would not replace fluorine. That's why second equation is not possible. So this whole reaction, that is single displacement reaction, depends only on activity of the element, that is reactivity of the series. They given some reactivity series in the textbook. You make thereof this reactivity